Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm always delighted to present this kind of videos and help you or their clients with the buy, sale and of course the rentals of our real estate properties at our beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region. Today we have something special for you. We'll have a new apartment on sale. It has been built a year ago. It's completely new, key ready to move in a nice residential complex, Paradise Resort in San Miguel de Salinas. Done last year by a nice, good constructors company, the developer. Nobody was living there until now. It's a ground floor. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, nice big terrace, and exit straight to this nice pool area that this project have. It has a nice swimming pool, playground for children, and a parking spot included in the price. A bit about San Miguel de Salinas. It was before a small town of Alicante region, but now each time is growing more and more. You can just look there, and all you see is new build now coming here. We have nice park here on front of this building, and behind the building, straight the center of San Miguel begins. On there you have everything: supermarkets, restaurants, pharmacies, schools, etc. So everything is nearby, and you can buy a key-ready apartment to move in straight in this nice residential complex, Paradise Resort. Follow me and I will show you the apartment from inside. Well friends, and directly from the pool area we can access to this ground floor apartment. Mostly of the cases, the people, they don't like the ground floors because you are on the ground level and maybe about the privacy, but on this case we have a very big advantage. You can go straight from your apartment to the pool area. You can have your children playing here, so it's very comfortable for some clients that have children or don't want to go by stairs to the pool area from the apartment. On this case, we have 20, more or less 20 square meters terrace. It's big enough. Furniture is included in the price, and we have this place here, this storage place that can be covered with the water boiler. This is aerothermic water boiler. It saves the energy, and the wash machine. Both windows of the bedrooms are going to this side too. And now follow me and I will show you the inside of the property, which we can access straight from this terrace. Nice big living area, sofa and the TV is included in the price. We have this open plan kitchen with all the white goods and everything. Finish it, nice color. Some people like it. We got some clients that they commented in the video that they like this color, but this is, of course, each client has own requirements. We have also the wash disher integrated here, so completed kitchen. This apartment has 75 square meters size. Check it out. This is the main entrance, so we can access from the building where the stairs are. Of course, everything is new, good qualities. And then we have the first bedroom with shower plate. The only thing that must to be done, because the constructor didn't did that. All the apartments were sold without the glass from the shower plate. It must have been installed, but all the rest is here. So first small bedroom. We have a window that go to the community area. And of course, a nice and new wardrobe. And at the end, this big main bedroom that also have a window, inbuilt wardrobe, and a bedroom, so it's in suite. So friends, don't lose this opportunity to get your key-ready apartment in nice area and a nice project, Paradise Resort. Don't forget that just nearby, the same building company, they are finishing the next similar complex, and on there everything is sold. Just a couple of apartments left, starting price 240,000, and you must wait until end of this year. On this case, you have something ready. With this difference, you can get a key ready apartment for only 220,000 euros. Contact me for more details. Anytime, just call me or write me a message. I will always respond and give you more information about this project or any other projects or any other offers that we have on sale. Subscribe this channel, share this video with your family and your friends. And I see you next time on our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.